Nelly Cross, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Le Buzz Orange Le Figaro, Le Buzz Media Orange Le Figaro Special Forum d'Avignon. You are Vice President and European Commissioner of Digital Strategy. This morning in Avignon, Frédéric Mitterrand asked you to allow a lower VAT rate for cultural goods online. Do you agree?
That is a very interesting question you put at the table. I was addressing Frédéric that I'm completely agreeing with his way of thinking. For if a book is printed or it's an e-book, that is the same type of issue we are talking. So there should be the same VAT. But, and that is always the case in such circumstances, it's not in my portfolio.
It's not in your portfolio?
No, but
so it's only a personal opinion, it's not an official position?
It's not an official position yet, so I will certainly address my colleague, and he is a very competent guy, and I'm absolutely certain that he will listen carefully. And the next issue that has to be added to this, the national governments are still responsible for the tax policies. So it will be a tough battle for him, but I can imagine that with a lot of arguments, and I will add arguments from my portfolio, so to say, and from this interesting event in Avignon, that it makes sense to just address.
To allow.
Yeah. Absolutely.
This morning you underlined that our European fragmented copyright system is ill-adapted to fight against piracy, because piracy has no frontier. And do you want to build a single European market for copyright?
It is a must, so to say, for we are confronted with absolutely a growing and tremendous growing piracy issue in Europe. And by the way, piracy is, if a politician is aware of piracy, we should act. And piracy in itself, just attacking, is absolutely needed. But you should think through, why is there that much piracy? And it is because, and you were mentioning it in your question, it is an ill-based system. It is old-fashioned, so to say. Okay. And what I have in mind, and what the Commission has in mind, together with all my colleagues, is that artists and creators, they badly need remuneration, and they deserve it. And we owe them to give them a remuneration, for only when they get a remuneration they will continue their creativity, so to say. But then you have to take into account that it should be a system where indeed also the borders are put away, that it is a cross-border system, a digital single market where it is indeed no illegality, but where it is a legal system.
It will be one of the main targets of your digital agenda 2010-2020?
Yes, absolutely. And together with Michel Barnier and together with all the other colleagues, we will try to tackle this problem, for we are aware that we are in a hurry. Time won't solve the problem. So there is a need to sit together and to create a new system in which indeed it is protected, what has to be protected, the rights of artists and creators.
But internet is managed by American giants like Google, Microsoft and Apple. Are there threats for European culture, and how can you discuss with them?
Well, in a way, it is a global scene at the moment. So having said that, I am aware, and I would love that more European big players would be quite welcome. There are a couple of European players, but we have to pamper them and give them more opportunities.
And to support them.
And to support them, no doubt about that. Skype, by the way, was originally a European invention. And the Estonian boys, so to say, they were real young startups. They were the inventors of Skype. So there are many possibilities, and we should give them more the floor than we did so far.
For example, how to manage relationship between European libraries and American search giant?
Well, let me first say, talking about libraries, there is a digital library at the moment, and it's called Europeana. It is a great jewel, so to say. More than 12 million issues are in that library, in that digital library. It is a start, so we are not yet there. There is a long way to go, but it is a fascinating way to go, and we need to take into account that sometimes you can use those giants to put all those issues indeed in the frame of Europeana, but also make it possible for money is needed. France did a great job in making...
In France, we made an agreement with Microsoft.
You did, but we should take into account that such an arrangement indeed also needs the aspect of the privacy and of how long is the period and how are you managing. Is it ownership, yes or no? And it should be ownership also anyhow in Europe.
Nelly Cress, thank you very much and welcome in Avignon. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Merci.